everyone, this is Manishka and you are watching Manishka's Art and Craft World. So welcome to my channel. So today I'm here with this new project which is 8x8 scrapbook with this box. So this box measures 9 by 9 inches. So let me give you the look of this box. So this is the front look and this is the closer. So now let me give you the inner look of this scrapbook or this box too. So this is the 9 by 9 box which opens up like that. And this is the scrapbook which measures 8 by 8 inches. So we will take it out like that. I will keep it aside. So this is our scrapbook of 8 by 8 inches. Here I have added these charms on the spine of this scrapbook, and here I have made the closure of this chain and charms. So we have to open it like that. Now let me give you the inner look of this scrapbook. So this scrapbook I have made for a birthday boy who is entering in his teenage. So I have made all the 13 years pages. As you can see, here is the first year page. So in this page you can add 2 pictures at here, and here are 2 tags. You can add 1 picture at here, and you can do journaling at there, and you can do journaling on this also. This is the second page. Here I have added some sentiments. The first reads 2 cards away, sparkle of daddy's eyes and mom's world. So here you can add 2 pictures, here you can add 1 picture, or if you want to do journaling at there, you can also do that. And here are some tags, so it depends on you that you want to add pictures or you want to do journaling. So you can do anything which you want. So this page holds this flap also. So here is this flap and this mat, so you can add some pictures at here also. So this is the 30th page, and these are the tags and photo mat. You can do journaling on these. It opens up like that. You can add pictures at here, and you can do journaling at there, and you can add pictures at there. You can add pictures here also. This is the 4th page, so you can add pictures here and here also. If you want to do journaling at there, you can do, but you can add picture. You want to add picture, then you can add pictures also. And you can do journaling on these tags. It totally depends on you. This is the 5th page. This envelope has 2 tags, so you can do journaling, you can add picture. Here are also 1 photo mat and the space for journaling. And here you can add pictures. And here is the sentiments, make a wish and small but mighty. And this is the 6th page. So here are 2 tags. And this is the card where you can add your pictures. Like 1 picture here, 2nd here, 3rd here, 4th, 5th, and here also you can add picture. This is the 7th page. Here you can add pictures. Here you can add pictures. So here you can do journaling on both the sides, and here also you can do journaling. The sentiment is where flower blooms, so does hope. Here are 2 tags where you can do journaling on the back side of this, and you can add picture on it. So this is the 8th page. So as I have made these twine closer, so you have to be careful while opening it. So here you can add 2 pictures. Here also you can add messages on it. So this is the 9th year page. Here I have added this envelope. In this there is a photo mat. Here you can add 2 pictures, or if you want to do journaling on it, you can do this and you can add pictures in this envelope. Here is this tag and one more photo mat. So you can add picture at there and you can do journaling on the back side of this. Now this is the page of 10th year. Here you can do journaling. You can add picture here. You can do journaling here and you can add one picture here. You can add picture also if you want to do. This is the 11th year page. Here is this belly band, and on this you can add pictures or you can do journaling on it. So this is the 12th year page. You can add pictures here, here also, and you can do journaling on it. This is the last page of 13th year. This has a lot of space for pictures. So this is the sentiments here. You are very special and so is your birthday. Happy birthday. And here you can add pictures, 2 pictures. And this is the name of the boy, Suryansh. And here you can add picture. And here also you can add 2 pictures. Here this is the sentiment where flower blooms, so does hope. So here you can add picture or you can write some messages, and here also you can do journaling. You can add pictures at here and here also. This is the pop-up one, and these are the tags where you can do journaling. So I have given you the full look of this scrapbook. So this is the upper part of this scrapbook and this is the back part of this scrapbook. Hope you all would love it. And you can close this scrapbook using this chain. So you have to put it like that. And here is this lock. Like that. So for today I have shown my project to you all. Hope you all would love it. So if you are liking our videos, then please do subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the like button. Thank you for watching Manishka's Art and Craft World.